In this playful science adventure, two curious kids fold a simple paper helicopter and drop it from a chair to watch it hover. As the blades spin, air pushes up, creating lift while gravity pulls down, like a slide guiding you to the ground. The light body and angled blades slow the fall, turning speed into a gentle float that lands softly. This shows air resistance and center of mass, revealing how shape and weight control motion. They imagine a maple seed and a spinning pinwheel to turn the moment into a giggle-filled science lesson.